Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'll be showing you the best top tricks for HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro. Let's begin. And we can start with combining two very important features, the tap to wake and raise to wake. With these two features enabled, we can easily control whenever our watch is enabled or not. Unfortunately, these two settings can be found in separately on the watch and on the phone. Let's start with the watch. First, let's go into settings, so we can double-click our little crown scroll wheel and head into settings. Now we can scroll up, and you want to go into display and brightness. And in display and brightness, we do have tap to wake, right on the top. Let's simply enable it. And now whenever our watch will disable itself, let's simply go back. Oh, I almost know how to go back. That's really unfortunate. But now whenever our watch will disable itself, we'll be able to simply tap it in order to enable it. Now on your phone, however, you want to open your Huawei Health application. You want to head into devices, tap your device. Now you want to scroll down a little and go to device settings. And in device settings we have our raise to wake. All you want to do is simply enable it. And boom! Now we can use both of these features at the same time. Now going to other tip, being battery. Of course, I do know that in this specific watch, the battery is really good. It can fully charge up to like 1 hour and it lasts for about 7 days. And that's a very great result. However, we can still bump it up even more. And I'm speaking right now about AOD. Now, what is an AOD? Well, I can show you without any issue. As you can see, this is a very ideal way of my watch. It's like this displaying different stuff, and whenever I will raise it, it will actually enable itself and show me different things. So this is because we did enable raise to wake, and this feature is exactly called always on display. In order to disable it, we can go once again into our settings, like that. Then you want to go into settings, and then you want to scroll up into watch face and home. As you can see here, we have our always on display, and all you want to do is simply disable it. This way, whenever our watch will go idle, we won't see anything. Instead, we'll just see empty void, which is really good for saving battery. Moving into other tip, we can talk about sleep. Now, for me personally, there is nothing more annoying and there's nothing more I hate than a nice sleep that is being interrupted. Because no one likes their sleep being interrupted, right? Luckily, we have sleep mode. How can we enable sleep mode? Well, it's very easy. First, you want to simply enable your watch and head into not settings, but into moon icon. This is basically a way for you to record your sleep. So, for example, you can search how exactly did you sleep, etc, etc. But what you want to do is you want to scroll down, go to sleep mode, and you want to enable sleep mode. This way, as you can see, this device won't ring or vibrate for incoming calls and notifications except alarms. That's very cool because when we receive an alarm, our sleep mode will be disabled. And what's even cooler is that we can enable schedule. So for example, let's disable this. We can add a schedule so it will repeat every single day from bedtime to waking up. It's incredibly important and useful feature. I will not change the hours since I really like those hours, but with that, we can just have a nice sleep. For even bigger efficiency, we can simply do the same thing but with the do not disturb option on our phone. Now, I'm not going to show this since we do have tutorials on exactly that topic, but just so you know, you can simply go to the settings, Then, in the settings, you want to simply go to your sounds and vibration, then do not disturb, and here you can set schedule. If you set it to exact the one that you have on your watch, then you will have a nice combo for a nice and peaceful sleep. Our next very important trick is related to side button. Now the side button itself is a very convenient thing that can just let you really easily and very conveniently use the watch. But did you know that you can fully customize it? Well, now you know. But how can you do that? Well, just like with everything else, it's very easy. Now, first you want to go into your settings, and then you want to scroll until you will see down button. Now you can click on it, and we have two shortcuts. The first one is for pressing once. By default, it is configured to workout, but as you can see, we can easily just add whatever you want here. So remember that sleep mode I talked about you earlier? You can always just go with this, and now whenever you press once this button, the sleep mode should appear. Maybe not in the settings themselves, but let's do with this. And as you can see, breathing exercises, amazing. We can go once back again into our shortcuts, and as you can see in the press twice, we only have one option, but it is also incredibly important, and it's simply the wallet. Pretty cool. Now, just so you know, I'm not going to talk about the wallet here. It can be counted as a certain trick on its own, but having a wallet built in into your wrist is really nice. Though I'm not going to show you how to configure it, since you do need to configure each step of, for example, HUAWEI app payments. And also this feature is not available in every single country. You need to know if the HUAWEI app supports the bankings that you have in your country. So that's something to note. But yeah, it's very good to have a wallet on your wrists once again. Anyway, now we can go to something else, and that being weather. Having weather on your wrist is almost as cool as having a wallet on your wrist. And being able to simply check weather in and around when you're actually leaving the house is something very important. Now there is one setting that I want to make sure that you have enabled so you can use the weather just as easy as I do. First, you want to go into your HUAWEI Health application, then to your devices, and click your device. Now you want to scroll down a little and head into weather reports. Now you want to make sure that it is enabled, and then you can also choose your temperature unit. Do you want it in Celsius or do you want it in Fahrenheit? And on your watch, in order to use the weather, all you want to do is simply hit this little icon, and now it will transform you and transfer you into the weather application. And here you can see more information about the weather and how it will look in the next couple of days. It's an incredibly useful feature, and I cannot believe how many people are not using it. It's just so convenient. And the last trick on this list is dedicated for people who want even more features. I mean, the watch is really good, like really good, but still it doesn't have anything, okay? Some features are missing. And for example, you can just download more applications. Yes, you can do that, and it's incredibly convenient and surprisingly easy to do. So how do you do that? Well, just like with everything else, it's very easy. All you want to do is go to your HUAWEI Health application, head into your devices, into your device. Now you want to scroll down a little and just go and click AppGallery. Now it will load for a moment, and here you have a full list of all these cool applications. For example, you have other navigation app. You can even have your voice recorder that is built in onto the watch. Another calculator, events with whole calendar built in, another compass, and there's so much more just waiting to be explored, installed and used. And I do think that's all for this video. I really hoped you liked it and that the top tricks I just showed you are really useful. If you have other top tricks that you think are cool, make sure to share them down in the comments below. Anyway, that's all from me. Remember to like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.